Hello and welcome to this video on 15 things smart people don't do. In today's world, intelligence and knowledge are highly valued, and many people strive to become smarter and more successful. However, it's not just about what you do, but also what you don't do. Here are 15 things that smart people avoid in order to improve their intelligence and overall well-being. 1. Smart people don't waste their time on things that don't matter. They prioritize their tasks and activities, and focus on what will give them the most value and return on investment. 2. They don't multitask. Smart people know that multitasking can actually decrease productivity and impair cognitive function. They focus on one task at a time and give it their full attention. 3. They don't procrastinate. Smart people understand that procrastination can lead to stress, anxiety, and poor performance. They take action and get things done in a timely manner. 4. They don't seek perfection. Smart people know that perfection is unattainable and that striving for it can be counterproductive. They focus on progress and improvement, rather than perfection. 5. They don't rely on their memory. Smart people know that relying solely on their memory can lead to mistakes and oversights. They use tools like to-do lists and notes to help them stay organized and on top of their tasks. 6. They don't avoid challenges. Smart people embrace challenges and see them as opportunities to learn and grow. They know that facing challenges helps them build resilience and develop new skills. 7. They don't avoid making mistakes. Smart people understand that making mistakes is a natural part of learning and growing. They learn from their mistakes and use them as opportunities for improvement. 8. They don't surround themselves with negativity. Smart people know that negative environments and people can drain their energy and hinder their progress. They surround themselves with positive, supportive people who help them grow and succeed. 9. They don't neglect their physical health. Smart people understand that their physical health is closely linked to their mental health and overall well-being. They take care of their bodies by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. 10. They don't neglect their mental health. Smart people prioritize their mental health and seek help if needed. They understand that it's okay to not be okay and that seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. 11. They don't ignore their values. Smart people live in alignment with their values and beliefs, rather than compromising them for short-term gains. They know that staying true to themselves helps them lead a more fulfilling and authentic life. 12. They don't neglect their relationships. Smart people know that strong relationships are important for their overall well-being and happiness. They prioritize and invest in their relationships with friends and family. They don't shy away from asking for help. Smart people know that they can't do everything on their own and that asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. They seek out mentors, advisors, and resources to help them achieve their goals. 14. They don't neglect their personal growth. Smart people are always learning and seeking out new experiences and opportunities to grow. They know that personal growth is essential for their overall success and happiness. 15. They don't settle. Smart people know that they are capable of achieving their goals and dreams, and they don't settle for less. They strive for excellence and are willing to put in the work to get there. By avoiding these 15 things, smart people are able to focus on what's important and make progress towards their goals. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us to continue creating content for you. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.